I'm Sarah with ExtremeTerrain.com, and in this video I'm going over a wheel and tire setup of 17 by 8 inch wheels and 33 by 11 inch tires on a non-lifted 2 and 4 door Sport, Sahara, and Rubicon JL. In this video I'll go over who this setup is ideal for, the clearance with these wheels and tires, and what to expect when driving with this setup on and off-road. The combination of 17 by 8 inch wheels and 33 by 11 inch tires are a popular setup with owners that have a JL with stock suspension, as you can see from these pictures provided by JL owners. Customers running this setup are driving mainly on-road with light occasional off-roading. The 33 by 11 inch tires are the same size that come on factory Rubicons and will give your Sport or Sahara a more aggressive stance with slightly taller and wider tires. This wheel and tire combo will fit all Sahara and Rubicon JLs that have stock suspension without needing to do any modifications. Sport and Sport S owners will need to remove the splash guards to avoid rubbing from these larger tires. But once the splash guards are removed, you will have no rubbing issues. Driving-wise, this setup is ideal for on-road driving with the light occasional off-roading. This setup will be free from rubbing any suspension components and the stock front bumper. Stock Rubicons have a slightly higher suspension with taller fenders, so you can expect a bit more clearance in the wheel well area. In off-road driving situations, you will have enough clearance for lighter fire trails, but when driving on trails that require a lot of articulation, you will see some rubbing in the wheel well area. If you do want to get involved in more serious off-roading, we suggest having a leveling kit or lift kit installed, both of which you can find right here on the site. A few things to keep in mind when upgrading to a larger diameter tire like a 33 is that when driving on-road, the ride will feel a little more sluggish with those 33s when compared to stock tires. At 60 miles per hour, your speedometer will also read about 1 to 2 miles per hour slower than your actual speed because of this change to larger tires. This is not a big deal, and most Jeep owners just keep that in mind when driving. However, this can be easily corrected with a speed calibrator or a tune for your Jeep, which you can also find right here on the site. And once your new wheels and tires are installed, we recommend an alignment afterwards to get the most life out of your new setup. If you do purchase a set of wheels and tires from Extreme Terrain, we make it easy for you to get these on your JL. On our wheel and tire package pages, we have setups that you can have mounted, balanced, and shipped right to you. Then just have a jack, a lug wrench, and you'll have these on in no time. And if you have any questions about this setup for your Jeep, you can call our customer service number to speak with one of our wheel and tire specialists. Again, this setup of 17 by 8 inch wheels with 33 by 11 inch tires on a non-lifted 2 or 4 door Sport, Sahara, and Rubicon JL is very popular with our customers and will give your JL a more aggressive look with slightly taller and wider tires compared to stock. Please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see more videos like these and tons of other product reviews and install videos right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.